Hello folks, in this video I wanted to go over some new functionality we've added to the iOS and Android apps for counting the number of times an option has occurred in a form. So let's say you have a form with 3 questions here. You may have 20 questions or 30 questions, and they're all utilizing the same pass-fail element or yes-no or whatever it may be. But the key is it has to be the same element. So in this case we have pass, fail, and NA as our 3 options here. So my goal here is I want to count the number of times that fail has been selected. Now previously you had to go ahead and add a new element, count number of failures, and you had to go in and write some page level JavaScript or some more complex calculations to figure that out. So we wanted to make this easier, so we set up our own built-in function for this. So what we're first going to do is we're going to go down to our dynamic value, and we're going to type in iFormBuilder.option.count. And then we're going to open up parentheses. And this takes in 2 parameters. The first parameter is going to be the option list ID. So as long as all of these are using the same option list, you can just simply copy the option list ID here from one of these and paste that in. And then you want to put in a comma. And then the next thing we want to take in is the value you're looking for to be selected. So, in this case, when fail is selected, I want to increment this count. So I'm just going to copy the key value from here. Again, it has to be the key value that you copy from this column. And then I'm going to go into count number of failures, and inside double quotes, I'm going to put in what I'm looking for, which is fail. And then I'm going to close those parentheses. So again, you're going to see we do iFormBuilder.option.count. Then you open parentheses and paste in your option list ID, which comes from the option list itself. Then you paste in inside of quotes the key value that you're looking for to be selected. So this is going to count the number of failures on my form. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up or save the form here, and then I'm going to move over to my mobile device. So let me just get that showing on the screen here. So I'm just downloading the changes here, and I'm going to open the option.count form. And inside of here, you're going to see when I select pass, nothing happens. But when I select fail, you're going to see it automatically went ahead and incremented the count 1. So if I select all 3 fail, then it's going to count that for you. So this means maybe you add 20 questions in the future, this function is still going to work as long as these questions still use that same option list ID.